Hello everyone, I am from Hebei Zidong Pump Industry. Today I will introduce several types of pump products. You can follow the camera view. These are our horizontal sand gravel pumps, complete sets, equipped with motors and vacuum self-priming systems. These are some large model gravel pumps we produced. They are entirely made of high chromium wear-resistant material with a very long service lifetime. The chromium content is no less than 27 and the hardness is no less than 60 HRC. Now, this pump is a split casing design. The impeller uses a 4-blade design with large flow passages. Furthermore, the front door has been optimized, not only material updated, but also separated front door into several different parts. This increases its lifespan and reduces the maintenance cost. This model is similar to the Russian Sigma pump. This one is like the IHC pump design. It uses an L-type seal. Both of these models use L-type seals. Moreover, this model uses large flow passages and a 3-blade impeller, allowing to pass larger particles. This model is similar to the Warman design. It is 18 x 16-inch gravel pump, also made of high chromium alloy wear-resistant material with single casing structure. It uses grease lubrication. These two models use oil lubrication and can be equipped with same oil station. Welcome to Hebei Zidong Pump Industry. I can help you select a pump product suitable for your needs. Thank you all. Goodbye.
这款类似于沃尔曼设计的这种16×18英寸的这种沙粒泵，也是高铬合金架构和新的这种单钼结构的设计。它是主流润滑，这两款采用稀有润滑，可以配备稀有站。不管你找什么样的泵，欢迎来到合肥帮你选一款适合你的泵类产品。谢谢大家，再见。